Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that make beauty feel effortless and exciting. Today, we're looking at LONDON's Plush Rush Lipstick in the shade Fab, a rose crème that promises a creamy finish and a little mood boost thanks to its Phyto-Endorphin Complex. Let's see how it performs in real life. From the packaging to the product itself, LONDON's Plush Rush Lipstick comes in a sleek, modern tube that feels substantial in the hand. The cream formula glides on smoothly, delivering full, even coverage in just one swipe. The shade Fab is a versatile, soft rose that leans slightly neutral, making it suitable for both daytime and evening looks. What really stands out is the inclusion of the Phyto-Endorphin Complex, designed to give a subtle mood-lifting effect, a thoughtful touch that adds a little sensory pleasure to your makeup routine. Using this lipstick has been a genuinely enjoyable experience. The texture is rich but not heavy, so it doesn't settle into fine lines, and it has a comfortable wear time of several hours. It's easy to layer for more intensity without feeling cakey, which is often a challenge with cream formulas. I tried it through a few daily activities, coffee, a quick snack, and even a light lunch, and while it faded slightly, the pigment remained surprisingly consistent, leaving behind a natural tint. One thing I appreciate is how nourishing it feels. Unlike some long-wear formulas that dry out lips, this keeps them hydrated and soft, likely thanks to the carefully formulated ingredients that support both comfort and wear. On the downside, it's not a matte formula, so if you prefer zero shine, this may not be your go-to. Also, while the mood-boosting aspect is intriguing, it's subtle. Don't expect an instant happiness boost, but it's a nice concept that aligns with the sensory experience of wearing it. In terms of value, LONDON positions this as a premium product, and I'd say it justifies the price. The pigmentation, comfort, and thoughtful formulation combine to make it feel like a lipstick you can rely on daily. Compared to other cream lipsticks in a similar price range, Plush Rush holds its own with its blend of wearability and nourishing benefits. If you're on a tighter budget, there are less expensive cream lipsticks that offer great color payoff, but the added Phyto-Endorphin benefit and the luxe packaging give LONDON an edge for those looking for that extra experience. The build quality of the lipstick tube itself feels sturdy and premium, with a magnetic closure that ensures it won't pop open in your bag. Shelf life is standard for cream lipsticks, and given the high-quality formulation, you can expect consistent performance over time. Customer support from LONDON is known to be responsive and attentive, so any questions or concerns about your purchase should be easily handled. If you're wondering how this stacks up against other popular cream lipsticks, it's comparable in pigment to MAC's satin finish lipsticks, but feels softer and more moisturizing. It's a strong contender for anyone seeking a comfortable, everyday creamy lipstick that doesn't compromise on color or subtle sensory benefits. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this. Your support keeps Beautyistic going strong. Overall, LONDON Plush Rush Lipstick in Fab is a thoughtfully crafted cream lipstick that delivers on comfort, color, and a touch of luxury. It's ideal for those who want a daily wear lipstick that feels soft, nourishes, and offers a little mood lift along the way. If you've tried it, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.